Hi guys, I am Nash and I'm back with another trip flip video for you all. So guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you how I made a two-piece set again from a velvet, like a big velvet dress. So every time I see velvet in the thrift shop, I get it because I like the fabric. It feels very comfortable, and also if ever I wanna flip it or just at least like alter it, not make it entirely into a new set. It's a very easy cloth to work with. Actually, even if the thread you have is not at the same color, the fuzzy side of the velvet will cover like 90% of that color. So at least if you just have a dark colored thread, well, which is my problem nowadays because I can't get thread right now. Shops are closed, so what I have right now is just a brown thread. So all my work should always include dark colored clothes. So if you guys want to see how I did a two-piece set again from a velvet piece I got from the thrift shop, then let's get into the video. Bye! So I got this piece from a thrift shop. I got it for like 80 pesos because actually the main reason why I bought this one is I need to change clothes. Then I bought this, like it's very easy to just at least wear. It's a black dress. It's easy to wear a black dress in any event that I need to. So I just need to change clothes. That's why I bought this one. Actually, it's a nice piece of clothing because it's from Bossini. So maganda na talaga siya in the start, but it doesn't have a figure. So para siyang straight black dress. If that dress would have been fitted to me, hindi ko yan gagalawin. But it's big on me. Actually, it's not big. The style talaga of the clothing is like that talaga. So, what else would I do? Flip it, right? So, my plan is to make a two-piece and make it fitted for me. It's gonna be very easy. So actually, it's very hard pa rin kasi I wanted it to make like two-piece na parang long sleeve and a pencil skirt. But malaki pa rin kasi yung long sleeves and I am not confident with how I will try to decrease the size of the long sleeves because hindi ko pa ganon kaya naaaral the patterns of a shirt. So all I can do is just off shoulders, tubes, and bralettes. And what I really need right now are bralettes because I love using jackets over it. So I made another bralette which is kind of wearable, not like the stringy bralette style. So here I'm wearing it right now and I'm wearing it over a jacket. Later I'm going to show you the finished piece. So if you guys are interested to see how I did this, then let's get into the video. Bye! Is the dress. First thing is to plan where to cut it because it's going to be a two-piece set again. So this one might be too short and it won't cover the ones I want to cover. So I guess I leave some allowance, a little bit, and also allowance for the seam. So start cutting over there. And let's set aside it first because we're going to work with the skirt first before working with the top. Okay, let's do it. So here I am just cutting the piece. Now it's done. You have two pieces, the top piece and the skirt piece. This is really big. You need to make it fit. So you can use a guide, your favorite fitted skirt, so that you can use it as a guide. But me, I'm sure that it would fit me in any shape. I do it because this is a stretchy fabric. That's why I like working with velvets. It's very easy to work with. So just create a form where the waist should always be smaller. Create a form and cut it. So here's the plan to draw the form. Like that. Give space for the hips and your super large thighs, girl. And proceed to cutting it and sew it together. So now don't throw the remaining piece because this will only be the working area you're going to use for the waistband. Because the skirt is gonna be ugly without a waistband. It should look like a skirt, not like something you cut out of something and wore it. So this is going to be the working area. You cut it straight and attach it together. Attach it together, sew it, and after sewing it together, you close it and sew it also here. So at least you're going to make a one band. So here is gonna be the trickiest part, attaching the waistband. So ayan. Got the skirt ready. Sorry for the dirt. The waistband. So ito, ayan. Diba naka-fold siya? The thing is, you attach it here, right sides together, para after, magaganon na siya. So, let's try. So now, the next project is the top. I'm going to use the sleeves for the bralette. Again, I'm going to make 4 triangles and use a guide for the triangle. So here we go again, tracing the triangles and cutting it after. So now we're done with the 2 bras. It's time to make the kind of tube top. So this one, I'm going to use this as the tube to put it under and make it snug fit for me first before attaching it here. So we are done with the top. It's time to wear it. Let's see. So, ayun guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something from it and also get inspired to thrift items and flip it. And again guys, the velvet cloth is very easy. If you don't have a sewing machine, then it's fine because the ugly sewing pattern you could do while hand sewing will be hidden kasi may fuzzy side siya. So, that's how I super like the velvet pieces, and it kind of turns your outfit into more of a sophisticated look because of the type of cloth the velvet looks like. Parang medj classy ka lang kahit parang pangit yung tahe. So, ayun. Again, guys, if you're new here, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also follow me on all my social media accounts. Instagram and Twitter, it's at Queen Nash Rapi. And also, guys, this video is just to congratulate myself for having 500 subscribers. I'm also thinking if I'm going to do a giveaway, but it's hard right now because of the ECQ. So, we'll see next time when will I give a giveaway. But thank you very much, guys, for the 500 subscribers. I hope na dumami pa siya. I know it's not that madami because we have 90 million people but here in the Philippines. I really don't know, but at least can I get a 1,000 subscribers like at the end of the lockdown, please? Anyway, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also, again, inulit ko lang. So guys, ayun. Hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye!